Hello, darlings. Beatrice Mess at your service for another holistic BM's power habit. Today we are sharing with you a recipe of holistic cleanse. That's right, dears. That special lemon juice detox, the one that cleanses the inside of your body. That's right, gives you a nice poo that you put in your water to drink each day. Has lemons, fresh ginger, garlic. You juice it with a juicer. And then you let it set out on the countertop for approximately 48 to 72 hours to lessen the strong lemon taste. Or you can simply squeeze the lemons, slice up the fresh ginger. You have to peel it first. Peel the garlic, slice the garlic, and place it in a bowl, lemon juice, and a tablespoon of sea salt. You're going to use approximately 8 to 10 lemons. This will last you about a week. And voila, you end up with this wonderful container of this special lemon detox that gives you an absolutely wonderful BM in the morning. You take it each morning, each day, cleanses your blood, cleanses your large intestines, makes you feel right as rain for the day, dear. This is BM's Monday Morning Power Habit. Until next week.